Ang guyabano, kilala rin bilang isang graviola, ay tinatangkilik bilang isang true marvel of nature. Ang mga benepisyo na makukuha natin sa guyabano? Una, immune support. Dahil mayaman ang guyabano sa vitamin C content, ito ay nagpapalakas ng immune system, antioxidant properties. Guyabano is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Digestive health. Guyabano is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Lastly, cancer prevention. Some laboratory studies suggest that compounds found in guyabano, such as acetogenins, may have anti-cancer properties. Our recommended dosage ay 2 capsules to be taken together daily after your first meal of the day or breakfast.